Okay, let's have this item. 125 is 60% of what number? So, ito yung ating question. So, first thing that we need to do is we're going to find or identify our given. So, since we have the percent sign again, that would be our rate. So, yan yung rate natin. We have to convert this to decimal by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. So, that would give us 0.6. Tapos, itong 125 na to, ano yan? So, since it is 125 is 60% of what number? So, focus tayo dun sa word na of what number. So, si 60% daw ay na-multiply to another number. Ito yung nawawala. So, in short, si base yung nawawala. So, since base yung nawawala, itong 125 na to is going to be the percentage. Kasi si 60% daw, naka-multiply sa isang number na magbibigay na sagot na 125. Gets? So, yun yung mangyayari. So, base is missing and we are given the rate and the percentage. So, the formula that we are going to use here is, so, ang gagawin lang natin, i-cover lang natin si base at makikita natin P over R. So, this will be our formula. So, cover the base, takpan natin yan. Tapos, ang makikita nating formula, percentage over rate. So, ito yung formula na gagamitin natin. Kaya nandito to. Ayan. Okay, so we substitute our given. So, 125 divided by 0.6, that would give us the base of 208.3 bar. So, ibig sabihin, si 3 ulit-ulit siya. So, 208.33333 and so on and so forth. Okay, and that's it. Ta-da! Alright. Okay, let's have another item. 546 is 28% of what number? So, first thing that we need to do is for us to identify our given. So, anong gagawin natin? So, first, we have the percent symbol. So, that would be our rate. So, we have to convert this to decimal by moving the decimal point 2 units to the left. So, that would be 0.28. Then, okay, looking at the problem, 28% of what number? So, dito makikita natin that the base is missing. Kasi, again, yung relationship ni rate at ni base, dapat nakamultiply sila. So, 28% times the base. So, ito yung nawawala. So, we're given the percentage, 546. Like I said earlier, we're looking for the base. So, to solve this, we will use the formula, base is equal to P over R. So, using this circle or this triangle, pwede siyang gawing triangle. Pero ito, using this symbol, we're going to divide percentage over rate if base is missing. Okay? So, we substitute. So, we have 546 divided by 0.28. So, that would give us 1,950. And that would be our final answer. Alright. Okay, let's have another item. 72 is 5.5% of what number? So, let's solve this by first identifying our given. So, meron tayong percent dito. So, that would be our rate. So, 5.5%, we have to convert it to decimal by moving the decimal point 2 units to the left. So, that would give us 0.055. Then, we will proceed to the next given, 72. Pero looking at this statement, okay, 72 is 5.5% of what number? So, ano yung hinahanap muna natin? We're solving for the base kasi the base is always multiplied to the rate. So, 5.5% times the base. So, ito yung nawawala. So, itong 72 is our percentage. So, ito yung nawawala natin, si base. So, how do we solve it? Using a formula, B is equal to percentage over rate. Then, we substitute. So, we have B is equal to 72 all over 0.055. So, we divide and that would give us 1,309.09 bar. So, there is a bar sa taas ni 09 kasi yun yung magiging repeating decimal natin. And that's it. Tada! Alright.